Big story at 6. Today, Governor Walker announces he will not accept health care aid from the federal government. Instead, he's developed what he calls a creative approach to get more people health care in Wisconsin. His plan will allow thousands of childless adults to get Badger care and push thousands of others off the program and into new federal health care exchanges.
To me, that just seems like a logical way to go, because in the end, not only is it better for me and you as a taxpayer, because there's less of a federal and state match that we have to plug into Medicaid, it empowers people to have greater control over their lives.
Since the governor has rejected full funding of a Medicaid expansion, it makes the state ineligible for millions in federal matching funds. Here in Northeast Wisconsin, both sides are heating up tonight over the governor's decision. NBC 26's Heather Burke is live at 6 with reaction.
Governor Walker says the limited expansion would ensure an additional 224,000 people in our state, creating more spots under Badger care. But those who have been on the waiting list for years feel taking the federal money would have been a better safety net.
It's just a daily thing that I'm just hoping my health holds out.
Diane Escher, a breast cancer survivor, is number 58,603 on the waiting list for Badger care. She wishes Medicaid was expanded.
That is money that we're all paying for. It's a federally funded amount of money, and so we're still going to be paying for that federal money.
But Governor Walker and Republicans believe it would cost the state a lot more. The federal government pays for the expansion for about 3 years. After that, payments will reduce over time to about 90%.
It's a big problem. You have a whole set of additional regulations and costs that we would be on the hook for.
In Outagamie County, about 7,000 people are affected.
They'll have to go someplace else. They'll have to rely more on county services, which means that they're relying more on property taxes, and that's not good.
Meanwhile, Escher hopes her wait will soon be over.
It would be such a blessing to get health care.
So far, 6 Republican governors nationally have agreed to accept funding for Medicaid expansion. A dozen Republican governors, including Walker now, have said no to the money. Heather Burke, NBC 26.